Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this, you're probably wondering, what do I do on my YouTube channel? To put it shortly, I create tutorials for people with zero prior coding experience on how they can work with the Shopify backend and edit their Shopify site's code to bump their Shopify site up to that next level. I myself am an entrepreneur who runs his business's website on Shopify, and I've been coding with various languages for about 8 years now. So all the tutorials I post are generally customizations that I've found helpful in my time building my website. I think Shopify is a great platform for beginner entrepreneurs to use, especially those without prior coding experience, because it takes a lot of the nitty-gritty out of running a website and building a website. The problem is when you want to implement a feature that doesn't already exist in your theme's source code, you're forced to either use the Shopify App Store and download yet another app that could potentially slow down your site and decrease your conversion rate, or you're forced to hire someone like me and pay market rates for that developer. Now, I'm not saying every single custom feature could be implemented by someone who doesn't know how to code, but what I try to focus on this channel are features that could be implemented by a complete beginner. So as you'll see, most of my tutorials involve easy to copy paste code blocks that anyone could implement on their Shopify site. Also, I try to make myself available. If you have any trouble implementing one of the tutorials in my videos, feel free to leave a comment under that video and I'll try to help you as best I can. I also cover other things that I think might be helpful for someone first creating their Shopify site, like certain Shopify app reviews or just general entrepreneurship advice and tips that I've come across in my short time as being an entrepreneur. So if any of that interests you, feel free to subscribe. Good luck with your businesses, and I'll see you in the next one.